Did you know that in Greek mythology, a witch once turned an entire crew of warriors into pigs? Meet Circe, the most dangerous sorceress in ancient Greece. When Odysseus and his men landed on her island, she welcomed them with a feast, but her food was laced with magic potions that instantly transformed his crew into squealing swine. Circe kept them as pets in her pigsty, but Odysseus had a secret weapon. The god Hermes gave him a magical herb that made him immune to her spells, so Odysseus seduced the witch and forced her to reverse the curse, proving that even the most powerful sorceresses could be outsmarted.